Other names for hydrogen peroxide are its systematic name, dihydrogen dioxide, and dioxidane. The chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide is HOOH or H2O2 and was first proved by Peter Melikishvili. Hydrogen peroxide was first identified and isolated by the scientist Louis-Jacques Thénard in 1818, and it was achieved by burning barium salts to make barium peroxide. When barium peroxide is put into water, it dissolves and produces hydrogen peroxide. It was believed for many years that hydrogen peroxide was an unstable molecule, as all attempts to separate it from water failed. In 1894, 100% of hydrogen peroxide was extracted from water by scientist Richard Wolfenstein, using a process called vacuum distillation. Pure hydrogen peroxide was developed as a rocket fuel and is still used today despite a number of accidents. Hydrogen peroxide is a very pale blue color and colorless in solution. Its density is 1.4 grams per centimeters cubed, its melting point is negative 11 degrees centigrade, 262.15 degrees Kelvin, and its boiling point is 150.2 degrees centigrade, 423.35 degrees Kelvin. Hydrogen peroxide has a water-like appearance, has a pungent odor, is non-flammable, and is miscible with water in all proportions and is solid as a water solution. Its use to whiten clothes, helps with health and sickness, used for dental care, cleaner, food preparation, deodorizing, textile and pulp bleaching, metal treating, cosmetic applications, municipal odor control, industrial waste treatment, control of bulking in wastewaters, and is a catalyst of polymerization reactions. On June 16, 1913, Dr. Hugo Henkel and Dr. Walter Weber filed a patent for direct combination of H2 and O2 to give H2O2. Direct synthesis was done for two reasons. It was green and had small-scale production. Hydrogen and oxygen are both environmentally friendly reagents. Concentrated vapors of hydrogen peroxide cause discomfort in the mucous membranes and eyes. Contact with eyes can corneal burns. Safety glasses or goggles should always be worn when handling concentrated hydrogen peroxide. Protective clothing such as rubber gloves and aprons should also always be worn. Contact will cause whitening of the skin due to formation of gas bubbles in the epidermal layer of the skin. Mild disinfectant is useful in counteracting various microorganisms. The hydrogen peroxide that we use has been diluted. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes to form water and oxygen. Another reaction is elephant's toothpaste. This reaction is exothermic.